Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K8. In this video I'll show you how to manage functional buttons of the keyboard. In the beginning, take a look at the top of your keyboard. Right here, if you press and hold Fn button and F1, you will decrease brightness of the PC. F2 increase. If you press F3 button, you will go to Task Manager, and F4 enters File Manager. F5 and F6 buttons are changing the backlight brightness. From F7 to F12 we've got the media panel. F7 skip backwards, F8 skip forwards, F9 skip forwards, F8 play pauses, F10 mutes, F11 decrease, and F12 increases volume. This button takes screenshot. This button enables or disables microphone, and this buttons enables or disables backlight. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.